Hey folks, welcome to Hey Me Grilling. Now tonight we're going to smoke up some wings. Now, we're going to do some that are wet, some that are dry, to try and determine which wings we like the most. Whether we want to toss them in sauce before we serve them, or just go ahead and put our seasoning on them and smoke them out here on the Z-Grills pellet smoker. Now we're going through the smoke cycle right now, and once it gets through that, we will be coming up to 275 degrees. So now let's head in the house. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a cup of the Heath Raw's garlic butter, pour it down in here. There we go. And then we're going to put that cup worth of seasoning into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Then we're going to come in with about a cup of the Heath Raw's competition rub. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now we're going to seal this bag up. We're going to just give it a good toss, get all that mixed in together, get that cornstarch mixed in with our seasonings. All right, so we just went and put our wings in this bag over at the sink so we didn't make a mess. We're going to seal this back up. And again, we're going to give us that good shake. And we're going to get all of our wings good and coated in that seasoning. These wings are very good and coated. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our tongs here, and we're just going to grab these wings out and put them directly, or put them on this little pan here, this rack. Our smoker's sitting pretty at 275 degrees. And so what I'm gonna do, rather than putting that old pan in here, I'm just gonna grab this rack here. We're gonna slide this dude right in, set it down. I'm gonna go for 45 minutes, so we're gonna check the temp on them. Now, as stated in the intro, we're doing dry versus wet wings, because to me, wings, like if I'm going to eat wings, I got my mind already made up. I'm about to get messy. I'm about to get wing sauce on my fingers, on my face, in my beard, my cheeks. But we're going to see if just wings with just a rub on them and then cooked, whether it's smoking, grilling, baked, whatever, we're going to see which one we like best. But we do use that, that cornstarch. We mix it in because that cornstarch kind of creates like almost like a barrier, right? And so it gets that skin, it allows it to get crispy, but it traps that juice on the inside, making these wings incredibly juicy, incredibly tasty. So, like I said, we're gonna see wet versus dry. After 45 minutes now, the challenge or the fun in the game, right, is I want to check and see what our chicken is looking like. All right, 179 back there, 182 here, 177. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna bump my heat up to 375, and I'm gonna go about another 10 minutes. We had some that were creeping on up to that target range, which for chicken wings is 185 to 200. Now I don't get it. I don't know the science behind it, but chicken is done at 165, right? But wings are better if you take them from 185 to 200. Like I said, I don't know why, but it's just the way it is. So we're gonna finish these out at between that target of 185, 200, and then we'll take you in the house for the next step. All right, for the wings, we're gonna serve it wet. We're gonna toss them in this bowl here, a different bowl. Next, we're gonna take this B-Dub medium buffalo sauce. We're gonna squirt some of it down in here, and then put the lid on it. And give it a good toss. All right, for that first taste test, it's gonna be a wing that is dry rub only. That was a dang good wing, perfectly cooked. That combination of seasonings between the garlic butter and that competition rub, that's very good. It's gonna be hard to beat that. But now, I did a couple of them with some of them with the buffalo sauce, the traditional buffalo sauce, and the other ones with the honey barbecue. So now let's give that one that all important taste test. You know, folks, this is just like a couple weeks ago. We did the wrapped versus unwrapped pulled pork. So with the wings, wet or dry. But just like before with pulled pork, I couldn't make a decision. They were both very good. Both had their pros and cons, right? But man, those are both very good. And the dry rub itself, just by itself, it's got a little bit of a bite to it. And I didn't use anything spicy. So these are both very good. Again, I can't make a choice. I can't decide between one or the two. If you just really put me down to it, I'd have to go with the wet, just because I like that sauce when I take a bite. But dang, it is both very good. So y'all, please let me know what you think. Do you like wet or dry wings? And then experiment. Try the opposite, the one that you like least, and see what you think. Because I thought I liked wet a lot more, but it's a lot closer race. So y'all, please let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.